Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the BETA.INV function inside of Microsoft Excel. So before we start, what exactly is this function and what exactly it does? So pretty simple, this function will return the inverse of the cumulative distribution function for a specified beta distribution. So in order to work with this function, we require a few parameters. So in this case, it's going to be 5 parameters. We need the probability, the alpha, the beta, the A, and the B. As always, I have already entered the parameters right here. And now we can try to run the function. So in order to run this function, the way it's going to work is pretty simple. We are going to start out with an equal sign, just like that. And then we are going to write down BETA.INV. And once it's done, we can just select this one right here. Then after that, we will enter all our arguments. As you can see, they're all right here. So we'll start with probability. So it's going to be 0.52. Then the alpha, which would be 6 in this case. After that, the beta, which would be 4. Then the A, that is 2. And the B, that is 4 again. And then what we can do, we can just run our function. And just like that, we have our BETA.INV for the following arguments. So if we change one of those, so instead of 6, for example, write down 8 here, as you can see, the answer will change. So here we go, here as well. As you can see, the answer changes. So for probability, for example, let's say 0.6. And as you can see here, the BETA.INV of our function will automatically change, and it will give us a different number. So this is how you can work with the BETA.INV function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you liked our video, please don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.